everybody, no matter what age you are. If you're having any complaints of back pain, asthma, just anything, Dr. Jones is the place to come. I had given up on chronic back pain being any better, and my daughter recommended Dr. Jones. I was a little hesitant at first, but I'm so glad. He's made a difference, a world of difference in my life. Our family has 4 generations of people, clients for Dr. Jones. We all have different problems, and all of us are much happier. He's given me my life back again, and I just can't thank him enough. They make you feel like family. The office girls, you walk in the door and they greet you with a smile, and you just feel happier immediately. I had sciatica so bad that I was literally dragging my left foot. And since I saw Dr. Jones, I'm not using a cane. I'm not considering a walker. I'm riding my horse again. I got a new puppy, can play frisbee or catch, and life is so much better. So for you people out there, just give him a chance. You won't be sorry that you did. So, thank you.
Thank you. So, one of the reasons I was excited that you came in was because a lot of times as people get older, you always hear, well, I'm just older, and those are just normal problems. And it's frustrating because with that mentality, you give up life and living because of it. And so having you here, you're such a good example of being able to change some of those things and get those elements of your life back. So that's why I was excited to have you here. So thank you so much.
Glad to be here.